Hello everyone, this is Anupama Mishra. I'm an international neuro-linguistic programming trainer, a yoga therapy and lifestyle expert, and also a life coach. And today's video is about the real meaning of neuro-linguistic programming. We conduct a lot of trainings on neuro-linguistic programming, and whenever people see this ad, they call us and they ask us, what is the meaning of neuro-linguistic programming and how we can use this in our day-to-day life? So this video is for all those people, okay? So the definition of neuro-linguistic programming. Neuro-linguistic programming. 3 words are there, okay? The first word is neuro. Neuro means our brain, our thinking process, our mind processes, how we think, why we think in a certain way, why we give a certain kind of meaning to a certain activity or a certain situation in our life. That is the neuro part, understanding the neuro part or changing the neuro part, okay? The second word is linguistic. Linguistic is a little technical word here. The easier version would be language, I would say. So language. Here we are not talking about this verbal language only or this words only, okay? Do you know in the whole communication circle, words only consist of 7% and rest of the 55% in that circle, in that communication circle is having the body language part and rest 38 is the tonality part. But we always focus only on the verbal part, that is the 7% part. But here we are using both verbal and non-verbal language to reprogram our mind, to reprogram our brain, okay? The third word is programming. Do you know we all have different programs for different things? We do certain things in a certain way. We are programmed. The way we are now, the way we are today is the outcome of the programming we have undergone since our childhood, since our 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 years. We are nothing but the programs. A very famous neurologist and the pioneer of psychoanalysis, Mr. Sigmund Freud, he has said, he has given a very beautiful statement actually. He said, all the human beings are nothing but patterns. We have a particular kind of pattern for a particular kind of thing. Did you observe yourself and others? We talk in a certain way. We do certain activity in a certain way. We react in a certain way. Isn't it so? So these are nothing but the patterns. Some of the patterns, some of the programs are very, very useful for us, like they are giving a lot of positive benefits in our life. However, some of the programs, some of the patterns are not so useful for us, and even some of the programs and patterns are destructive for us. So, neuro-linguistic programming is the art and the science of changing these destructive patterns, deprogramming them, and reinforcing the new kind of patterns in us to achieve the excellence, success, peace of mind, peak performance, whatever you want to say, to achieve that in your life. So here we are using the languages to reprogram our mind, to change the conditioning of the mind. Okay, so this is the real meaning of neuro-linguistic programming. In a very simpler way, I once again want to explain this with one example. For example, this is a phone, right? Do we know all the technicalities of this phone? Like the different parts, I don't know, okay? The different parts of the phone. But do we know the various applications of the phone? For example, WhatsApp, Facebook, this Google Pay or message, mail, etc. Right? I can use my phone through WhatsApp. I can email. I can chat. I can call. How can I do all these things? Just because I know the various applications of this phone. I can properly use this phone. In the same way, neuro-linguistic programming is also about understanding the various applications of the mind, so that we can use our mind for our own benefits. Do we all have mind? Yes, we all have mind. So, this answer is for those people who ask me how NLP is useful for them. If you have mind, of course, NLP is the most useful technique to understand, to know, to use your mind, to use your brain, to run your brain in a very, very effective way to get whatever outcome you want to have in your life. I hope you would like this video. If you like this video, please share, subscribe. Thank you for watching this.